So, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go to go channel for the latest of opportunities and career tips. So, are you someone who is looking to work into data and consulting firm in one of the big four company? So, you are at right place because EY is hiring for the role of analyst into business consulting, especially into supply chain and operation, and this is based out of Bangalore, which is again a Silicon Valley of our country. So let's break down the what the role is all about, along with the most important thing, how you can land into these wonderful opportunities. So let's dive into these wonderful opportunities. So let's have some overview about the role and the company. So the analyst role is a part of the CNS business consulting supply chain and operation team within the advanced manufacturing, mobility, and infrastructure sector. So if you are someone who is passionate about solving real world challenges across industries like automotive infrastructures and aerospace, then this is the perfect launch pad for you. So you'll get to work on large scale transformation projects, support sales growth, optimize supply chains, minimize operational risks, and drive business values using the technology and innovations. So the team scope of this job includes business transformation, supply chains, all rolled into strategic powerhouse and all that. So this is a kind of the overview about the role, how you will be working and what kind of technologies you might have to use. So technologies again, it's a kind of supply chain role into data and all that business consulting. So you can just guess that you might have to work into reporting, interacting with stakeholders and all that kind of work, right? So let's understand more. But before that, let's understand the eligibility for this job. So okay, so here we have given the responsibilities for this job. But before that, let's have the eligibility. So eligibility criteria for this role, they have not mentioned anything directly. But as per our research, you must have a bachelor degree to into any field, especially in finance or MBA, master degree, MBA, or kind of BTech engineering or related field into data analytics, business consulting. Along with that, you must have the problem solving mindset and the that experience to work in collaborative environment, or at least you should have that kind of mindset, the kind of skills, the uh, you know the s- that we all say, right, that the skills needed to kind of, or you can say that non-technical skills, or you can say interpersonal skills, right? So you must have that skills, collaboration skills, to be eligible for this role, along with a strong analytical mind and of course a very good communication skill as well. Ability to work in a multidisciplinary environment is also required, along with you know curiosity and adaptability, which is again must for this role, because you might have to adapt to new changes that might happening in the company. So these are the kind of requirements. So if you have such a background, in engineering, supply chain, or business, then this is your moment. Just go through that, and yeah, before that, let's understand why you want to join EY. So with over 3 lakh plus employees globally and a strong peace presence in India, actually not a piece, okay. EY is more than just a big four. It's a global leader that truly believes in building a better working world. From personalized career journeys to flexible working, skill building programs, and diverse teams, EY offers great learning opportunities, mentorship from industry leaders, a culture that supports both career growth and well being. And yes, it's one of the most trusted brand in the consulting field. So these are some of the kind of good things about the EY side, I would say. And yeah, that's the reason one should choose to be in the EY, which is again, I told everyone knows that it's one of the big four company. Apart from that, what better things are there that they have mentioned over here, I just discussed. So location is based out of Bengaluru, as I already mentioned, and salary will be competitive. A very good salary you'll get depends on your past salary, if you have experience, and if you are a freshers, again it depends on your skill sets. And if you want to apply, then just head to the link in description. We have mentioned direct link for this job, and apply as soon as possible before the deadline, so that you don't miss any chance. And this type of jobs might end anytime soon. They have not mentioned any deadline, so apply as soon as possible. And yeah, that's it. If you need, if you are ready to dive into kind of the world of consulting, make a real impact, and grow with one of the top consulting brand in the world, then this is your opportunity. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Drop a comment if you want the resume format or tips to crack the interviews. Or if you want any other things to make us, kind of a video on how to crack into this kind of consulting companies, we'll do that as well. So comment below if you want to want us to do videos on that. So yeah, that's it for these opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.